Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a Java program that checks whether a number is weird or not there based on these conditions. Okay. So we have four conditions. First of all, if number is odd, print what? Weird. If number is even and between the range between what? 2 to 5, then print not weird. If number is even and in exclusive range between what? 6 to 20, print what? Weird. If number is even and greater than 20, print not weird. So we have four conditions. The first of all, we have to check these four conditions by using what? Java program. So I have Java class. This class name is coding test. Inside this class I have to create one main method because every Java program starts from main method. It is a starting points of the main method. So first of all we have to create one object. Which class object? Scanner class object. Okay. So I'm going to create one scanner class object for input. Okay. Whenever user enters some number, we have to take by using scanner class object. So first of all I'm going to print some message by using system.out.println entered a number. First of all I'm going to give some message to the user or enter some user. Whenever user see this message, automatically user will enter some number, and we have to take the input from the user. So how can take? By using s.nextInt method, and we have to store inside n variable. So I am taking input from the user and storing inside n variable. This n variable store which type of value? Integer type of value. Now I'm going to perform this. I'm going to perform this code based on this perform code. I'm going to perform code based on these four conditions. So first of all we have to check this first condition. Okay. If number is odd, print what? If weird. That means we have to check number is odd or even. So first of all I'm going to check. We have two conditions here. First is what? First is even and second is what? Else. Second is what? Else. Suppose here I'm going to check what? In this block I'm going to check if number is divisible by 2. That means what? This number is divisible by 2. That means this block will execute when number is even. That means inside this if block, we have to print only whenever number is even. So the first condition is what? When number is odd, print where. So we have to execute this condition. Why? If the number is even, this code will execute. If number is not even, that means number is odd. That means this block will execute. Else part block will execute automatically. So we have to print what? Weird. Okay. Now the next thing is second condition. If number is even and exclusive range between 2 to 5, then print what? Not weird. That means if number is even and exclusive range between. So now I'm going to check this condition inside this if block. Okay. So we have to take one more if block condition to check whether the number is between 2 to 5 or not. If n is greater than equal to 2 and n is less than equal to 5, then print what? Not weird. Okay. Now the third condition is if number is even. That means this condition will satisfy. It will go inside this block and exclusive range between what? 6 to 20. That means one more condition we have to check. Else if n greater than equal to 6 and n less than equal to what? 20, then it will print what? system dot out dot println what where. Okay, if the number is now the last condition, if number is even and greater than 20, it will print what? Not where. Okay, so number is even and greater than 20, this block is range between 2 to 5, this block is range between what? 6 to 20. So we have to check only one condition. If two conditions are not satisfied, that means number is uh, greater than 20, so we have to write only else block inside this uh, if block and print what? Not where. Okay, that means these two conditions are not satisfied. That means this else block part will automatically will execute. Okay, if the number is even, these three condition again it will check. If this condition is satisfied, this part will execute. If this condition is satisfied, this part is execute. If this condition is satisfied, this part will execute. And this else block will execute when number is not even. Okay, so I'm going to check the number is uh, even or odd. So 25, that means number is odd, that means first condition will print weird. Okay, so I'm going to run one more times. I'm going to check last condition, if n is even and greater than 20, that means I'm going to write n is even and greater than 20, that means not wide print. Okay, not wide print. If n is even and range between what? 6 to 20, so I'm going to run one more time. If n is given between 6 to 12, that means I'm going to type 20 12, it means this condition will satisfied. Okay, so I'm going to write one more time for this condition and type 4 or 3, it will print what? Not weird. Okay, so we have successfully completed this based on this condition, this program. You can take a screenshot. If you understand clearly, you can subscribe and like and share also. Thank you so much.